Do you want to increase your savings? Maybe you're trying to cut costs. Well, you would be amazed to know that most people today are. You might qualify for a frugal living depending on the level of commitment you have towards this. What exactly is living on the cheap? That is, frugal living. Well, there are two types of money management: saving and living frugally. It involves more than just occasionally clipping coupons or going a month without shopping. Cutting back on your spending and finding ways to save money are all parts of this way of life. And by anywhere, we mean any place, anytime, anywhere. Continue till the end of the video if you want to learn more about how frugal living works and how you can start applying cheap hacks to your own life. Before we begin, it's wise to determine who frugal living is ideal for before committing to it. It's not for someone who only wants to sometimes experiment with savings because it's a lifestyle. Living frugally typically entails making financial sacrifices that most people are hesitant to make. The next question here arises as to who might benefit from such a lifestyle. Following are the kinds of people who would benefit and achieve something extraordinary by incorporating such a lifestyle. People with strong financial goals. Do you have a significant financial objective you'd like to accomplish? Ensuring that a financial goal is quantifiable, achievable, and written down are just a few of the many factors that go into achieving one. You'll have more money to use towards those objectives if you apply frugal living hacks. It's not going to be easy. However, you'll be more likely to adhere to this lifestyle if you have a strong commitment towards your financial goal. People who are inclined to make some sacrifices. Are you willing to give up something to accomplish your goal? If so, adopting a frugal lifestyle might be for you. If not, it could be challenging to maintain some of the lifestyle's more radical tenets. If you choose, you can try frugal living even if you believe you are not willing to make compromises. You never know when you might surprise yourself by making a change. People who are looking to adapt a more eco-friendly lifestyle. You may lessen your impact on the environment by leading a modest lifestyle. Living frugally can help you reduce your impact on the environment by lowering or eliminating your need for new clothes purchases, producing your own food, and generally reducing your waste. Ecofrugality is the practice of making all consumer decisions with the environment in mind. It basically means being conscious of the impact your purchases have on the wider world. Extreme thriftiness can undoubtedly assist you in lowering your influence if you are interested in doing so. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the best money-saving frugal hacks that work extremely well. Number 1. Stack on deals and discounts. The first hack is to stack deals and discounts on your favorite offers, but not like how normal people do. You're going to try something different. There are several cards that give targeted rebates in the form of discounts when you shop at particular stores. Cards from Chase and Citi also publish Amex offers, Amex merchant offers, and Chase offers, respectively. After you've made a purchase, you receive rewards from these offers. They aren't a deal, a coupon, or anything like that. After your qualified transaction posts, you'll be rewarded with a statement credit. The trick is to choose an offer with a store that sells a variety of goods because some offers are particularly specialized, like get 15% back at the Aroma Cafe in Equatorial Guinea. Use of Chase offers will be made in this case. You can see that my Chase Freedom Flex card gives a 10% rebate at Overstock.com right now, up to a maximum reward of $45. Every online buying expedition should, if at all feasible, start with a shopping gateway. The shopping portals will reward you more only for using their link to visit a merchant's website. They'll keep tabs on your activities while you shop, record how much you spend, and give you a certain percentage or extra points in return. The shopping experience is the same as going directly to the retailer's website. Websites frequently have a ton of promo codes. You may have your browser automatically search for these using add-ons like Honey and Capital One Shopping. Moreover, there are loyalty programs at many stores that give you incentives for each purchase. You'll receive 5% in rewards from Overstock.com for each purchase. If you frequent a certain retailer, you might view these credits as equivalent to cash. You can add this as an additional layer to your deal stacking. Always try to utilize the card with which you are trying to achieve minimum spending criteria to receive a welcome bonus when making major purchases. Currently, a lot of credit cards provide welcome bonuses of at least 100,000 points. Some of these have a cash value of $1,000 or more. After making $500 in purchases during the first 3 months of an account opening, Chase Freedom Flex offers $200. Number 2. Use a clothesline. Using a clothesline can definitely be helpful if you're planning to use some frugal hacks to save all the money you pour into doing laundry. Here's how this hack can save you from losing money. You do not need dryer sheets because you're hanging your things outside to dry. Instead, allowing enough fresh air to pass through your garment while it moves in the breeze will help. Instead of spending money on expensive drying chemicals, you can rely on nature to complete the task. When you hang your clothes out to dry, you can avoid using the dryer and save money on your gas and electric bills. Laundry on a clothesline requires additional time and effort to hang. As a result, you could hesitate before adding garments to the dirty pile. Before throwing something in the washer, you might be more likely to wear it once more to make sure it actually needs to be washed. Drying your clothes outside is considered kinder to them than using a dryer. You can save your clothes from all the heat, chemicals, and wear and tear that could have been applied to them. As a result, if you line dry your clothes, they last longer and you would need to buy clothes less frequently. Number 3. Buying prescription drugs at Costco. Costco Pharmacy has an ongoing program called Costco Member Prescription Program. This program assists clients in receiving reduced costs. Costco customers can join the CMPP for no cost, but it is important to note that it is not insurance. When you buy a prescription, you won't get anything back, but instead you shall receive discounts on all prescription drugs along with some over-the-counter medicines. According to a statement on Costco's website, the amount of any price reduction is determined at the time of purchase, based on additional negotiated discounts with suppliers and manufacturers regarding the drugs dispensed and/or on Costco's net cost of purchasing certain drugs, both of which may change from time to time. Moreover, you won't ever need to ask for a refill again thanks to Costco's auto refill service. In addition to offering affordable human medication, Costco also sells extremely affordable pet medication. Additionally, a comprehensive review by a trained travel medicine physician is part of the full-service travel consultation program offered by Costco Pharmacy. All of the injections and pills you'll require for your trip will be administered by them. Another important thing to note is that any reputable pharmacy must have VIPPS certification. That is, Verified Internet Pharmacy Practice Sites. And yes, Costco possesses it. With this accreditation, you may be sure that the pharmacy has undergone a thorough examination by the National Association of State Boards of Pharmacy, so you do not need to worry about its credibility. Number 4. Canceling your memberships. One of the best frugal living hacks is canceling subscriptions because it's so painfully clear. Everybody should include annual membership reviews on their list of ways to save money. We subscribe to subscription services throughout the year, either because the first offer is inexpensive or free, or because we have the best of intentions to use them. Sometimes, we sign up for memberships without even realizing it, as if they were buried deep in some extra fine print. Don't keep paying for services you're not using. This is one of the most straightforward life hacks for cost cutting. Check your credit card statements at least once a year, but ideally every 6 months, for any subscription and membership costs. You should immediately cancel any memberships that you have never used or are no longer interested in. Make sure all other subscription services are truly worth the amount you're paying for. If you wish to keep the service, try to negotiate a lower price by using money-saving strategies. If the service permits it, you can split the cost of your subscription with family or friends in order to save money rather than purchasing it separately. Number 5. Organize your pantry. The 2 best money-saving life tips are buying in bulk and stocking up on things when they are on sale. However, occasionally, our bulk purchases disappear into the depths of our enormous cabinets, and our stockpiles grow to the point where hoarding is borderline. It's a good idea to make an inventory and manage your supplies once a year. Otherwise, you might discover that you have more than you would ever utilize, which would not be a prudent use of your money. Start with an inventory of your food stash, and this will make money-saving life hacks quite easy. To better understand what you currently have, clean out your cupboards and other additional places where you store your food, and decide how you're going to put it to use. Additionally, make a list of any products you might need to buy soon. Make a spreadsheet of the products you have if you're serious about keeping your finances in order and managing your stockpile. Record the time it takes to use the new items when you open it. You'll be better prepared for future bulk purchases if you do it that way. You can also apply this frugal hack in order to clean up your health products and beauty supplies, paper products, laundry items, cleaning products, and other kinds of goods that you store at your house. These 5 frugal hacks are going to save you tons of money, which you can use somewhere else to invest in. Moreover, by following these hacks, you are advancing in areas where thousands of people are lacking and spending their money on things that they don't even need. Let us know in the comments how these hacks have changed your life.